You might not know who I am. That's alright, most don't. My name is Zentio, and I am the child of Zenara. She is the queen of dragons. Yes, I know how that sounds. A dragon prince? Hard to believe, isn't it? You see that egg over there? That's me. Not even born yet. But even before I was born, my story had already begun. And so had the story of my kind. Long before your time, before kingdoms, before war, before fear, dragons and humans lived together, not as enemies, but as allies. Humans were not always called humans. They were known as Kafari, guardians of the land. They lived in tribes scattered across the world, each one bound to the earth, and even my species, the dragons. My species are called Dragarai. Dragarai are not just dragons, but something older, something deeper. The Kafari protected the lands where me and my species rested, sacred grounds, places where even time itself moved differently. They kept us dragons hidden. They were there to welcome me before I even opened my eyes. There was trust, there was balance, there was peace, for hundreds of years. But stories like this, they never stay peaceful forever.